Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this Baseus USB hub. It features USB-C ×1, USB-A 3.2 ×2, HDMI 4K at 60 Hz ×1. So these are super handy. Has a Cat 5. I use one of these for my little setup I have. Super nice for, see what else we got in here. We've got some little stickers there and some instructions here. But super nice for if you just set this up on top of your desk or whatever. And then you can plug in your peripherals as needed, or have a laptop or something like that. So we have our Cat 5 here on the end. These are 10 GB per second, gigabits per second data only. The USB-C here on the side, USB-A, another 100 watt input on the side here for USB-C, and then HDMI and another USB-A. There's the 3.2s. I think those are the fastest USB-As right now currently. So super handy. Let's just kind of plug this in, show you guys how it works. Okay, my friends, here I have it in my living room, and I've just hooked this up to my Samsung Galaxy, and then I run the HDMI cord out of there to my television. And you can see I'm running DeX right now on my TV. So if you want to display your phone screen on the big screen, sometimes it's just easier if it's difficult setting up a wireless connection. Sometimes it's easier just to hardwire, and that way you can be guaranteed that there's not going to be any issues when you're plugging it together and want to make a display on there, maybe show some pictures or a presentation or something like that. You can also press this button here and cut the feed whenever you want to. Also super handy for your computer as well. Just plug this into your USB-C on your computer, and then you can input other devices in there that you want. So it's quite handy and useful for different scenarios. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it is useful, and you guys have a great day. I'll see you next time. Okay, right here I just have it plugged into my PC, and then running my keyboard off of that. So pretty much whatever you want to run in or out of that, it's like works both ways, it seems like. So I can run from my phone from here out into the computer or the television, and then I can also run from backwards compatible from my mouse back into my PC or whatever. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. This seems like a fairly useful device. Have a great day.